First one, double spiral. I'm going to put a dot where I want my spirals to begin. And I'm going to start the first one with a fork. As I do this, I'm going to try to keep my pleats as good as possible. Stay. See if my dog training pays off there. All right, so here's my two spirals. Just gonna make sure it's kind of tight coming around. There we go. Now I'm gonna get some rubber bands. Too small. That one's gonna be too small. And I'm going to rubber band this. There we go. Remember, I have two spirals. Let's see here. There we go. There's my first spiral. Now, on this side, see I have one spiral here. Clean it up a little bit, and one spiral here. Now, according to what she did, hang on, I've decided I don't like this rubber band. I think it's too thick, so I'm taking it off, replacing it. Ta-ha! That was too loose. Oh, that one's better. Perfect. All right. All right, so according to this, I'm going to draw some lines on here for my dyeing. Okay, so what she did is she did a partial spiral, a partial triangle through one of the spirals, which is right there, and then the other one here. So that's going to be a color. Then what she did is partial is she drew then a line through the spirals. So you have a line there. There's a spiral. Line there. Line there. Line there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Just rubber band a little bit because it's impeding my line. So I'm going to do my line here. Alright, so I'm going to put one more through there to be on the safe side. I don't think I need that one, but I'm going to play it safe anyway. Alright, so liquid dye on this one. Okay, let's see, filming. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to start off with the lime green. And the lime green is going to go right in the triangle, right in the middle. It's right there. And I kind of want to put enough on there so that it'll go through to the other side. I'm going to start seeing it bleed to the other side. Alright, then I'm going to do blue. This is dark blue, navy blue. Navy blue is going to go right over here on this. Now, I think that's good. Now I'm going to put black on this side. Doesn't have to go all the way through, I just want it to cover. All right. So there's those colors. That's that one. I need to put that in a bag. And I've got another one to dye. All right. So there's that one. And now it just gets to sit 24 hours, you know the drill. Okay, washout time. Woohoo, my favorite time. Let's see what I come up with. All right, so this is the double spiral. Let's see what we have here. Came out a little bit darker than what I wanted. Let's see what you think. I think it'll look better once I get it washed. You can barely see the pattern on there. I can get a good can't get a good look on the camera. This came out darker than what I wanted. It's got some pretty colors in it. So we'll see. We'll do a washout on that one. All right, so here's the other one, the other towel that I did yesterday. It's a little bit darker than what I like, but overall I like it. So you can see my spiral here, but it's not as crisp here. So it leads me to believe I didn't have it tight enough here. So, but I like this one, and I like that. See, it got a little bit dark. This is the one that I remember I put black on the back of it, and I may have wanted to use a thicker black, like a thickened black, because it may not have absorbed quite as much. But overall, I think it's pretty. What do y'all think? Can y'all see it okay? I'm gonna turn it that way too, so you can see the different sides of it. Yep, see, you can see the spiral here. You can see it starting here, but I didn't, it didn't finish.